in this video I want to show you how to open the hood on your Ford Focus. So go on the driver's side footwell right over here, and you're gonna find the hood release in the middle here. So pull on it. Let's go into the front. The hood will be slightly popped. Now if you go like this, you see right above the Ford logo, you're gonna feel there's a latch, okay, right over there. It's hard to describe. I'll show it to you in a few seconds once I open the hood. But what you need to do is to put your finger there and push towards the left, and at the same time lift the hood. So you see, I'm pushing towards the left and I'm pulling the hood up. Okay, this is the latch I was talking about. You need to pull it towards the left, and now you need to put the prop rod. So what you need to do is to go over here. It's yellow. Maybe on your Ford Focus it's not yellow, I don't know. Right over here, this is how it should look. At the end, you're good to go. You're good to work on your car. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.